How to use Canva for YouTube Shorts. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can use Canva for YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Canva app on your laptop or PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign in to your account and you will be redirected to this page. After that, in the search icon, search for YouTube Shorts. Over here, you can see we have 350 templates for YouTube Shorts. So, click on any of the templates that you want to edit. So, I will just click on the first one. After that, click on Customize this template and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you can edit your YouTube Shorts, like you can see similar templates in the design section. You can also add different type of elements. Or you can also use different type fonts. As well as you can also upload your own design in the upload section. So that's how you can use Canva for YouTube Shorts. That's all for this video.